I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You already have your data column. Now compute the central point. In an adjacent cell type equals average, range, and hit enter, this gives the mean. Once done, give that cell a clear label so you know it's the mean used for every z-score calculation. Make sure to use the same numeric range and exclude headers. This step matters because the mean centers your distribution. Without a correct mean, your z-scores will be off and comparisons meaningless. Next, you need the spread, the standard deviation. If your values are a sample, use equals stdev. S range. For a whole population, use equals stdev. P range. Enter the function in a separate labeled cell and confirm the range matches the one used for the mean. This gives you the divisor for the z formula. Once you have SD, you understand how far typical points fall from the mean, which is essential because z-scores scale differences by that spread. Now calculate each z-score with the formula. Value mean divided by SD. In the first z cell type equals a $2 $B$2 /$B$3, replacing references with your mean and SD cells, and drag or double-click to fill. Make sure you lock the mean and SD cells with $signs so they don't shift. Once filled, spot check a few entries manually to confirm. If numbers look extreme, recheck ranges, and whether you should have used sample.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.